Hey guys, happy Catter Day. Today I'm going to show you guys the coolest cat invention out there. It's do-it-yourself. It's all things that you can find at your local home improvement store. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what I'm going to show you guys how to build today is a tether that actually holds your cat or small animal. Any animal that wears a harness, you can use this for as long as they're not too big. So I use it for cats, but you can use it for bunny rabbits, iguanas, whatever small that you want to take outside. Now, what this is for is this is for putting your animal on a leash and letting them have some freedom outside without them running off or getting tangled up. So what you're going to need is just a few parts from your home improvement store. You're going to need a piece of 1-inch PVC, and I have this one, it's about 2 feet long. Okay, and then you get 1/2-inch PVC, and you can usually get them in like a 3 or 4 foot length, and you can cut it. So I have it in 2 feet, and then I cut another little additional piece off of that. And I have an elbow to hold them together. So I assemble them. I tape your retractable leash on the end here. And then the only other part you need is like a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch steel rod. And the steel rod, you want it to be longer than the length of your PVC. So what's going to happen is you're going to pound this into the ground. You're going to slip this right over the top of it, and essentially you'll have about this much of it in the ground. Okay, then what's going to happen is while that's in the ground, you're going to take this PVC, slip this right over the top of the rod, and voila, that's it. Now what happens is as your pet moves around, this piece rotates with them. And because of the fact that it's higher than the animal and it's on a retractable leash, the leash never drags on the ground, okay? And so what ends up happening is the animal's able to move around and not get tangled up, not get this wrapped around their legs. Now, I'm not going to say they never get tangled. Sometimes it might wrap around their body if they're jumping around or playing, but for the most part, they don't. I've been using one of these for the last 1.5 to 2 years with my cat. Never had an issue with it. So I'm going to show you how to put it in the ground and get it all set up for your pet. Alright, that's all there is to it. So now we're just going to take a couple minutes and watch how my kitty cats enjoy their posts. You know, you can take these, put them in your yard. They really work good for going camping. Take them to the park, and that way you can let your pet out, let them enjoy the outdoors without having to actually always physically hold on to them. video informative. Maybe you'll go out and make one of these for your small pet, and shoot me a comment. Let me know how well it worked for you. I know it's going to work well because it's been working well for me for quite a while now on the road. My cats love it. In fact, they bug me every night, all day, to come outside and get put on their tethers, and they never complain. And honestly, since I built them like this, I've never had a cat get away either. So there's that too. You have a little peace of mind. However, I do recommend always being, around watching your pet, just in case, because if some other animal comes around, they usually can't really get off their tether. So you kind of also want to be, watchful. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, shoot me a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. And until next time, next Catterday, we'll see you.